A lot of people search for a hosting or discount code today, and honestly, you're in the right place. The link in the description has the offer activated automatically. Just pick your hosting plan, and the maximum discount will be waiting for you right at checkout, just like you will see in seconds. Hostinger has completely changed the game in 2026. With lightning fast LiteSpeed servers and a built-in AI website builder, it's the ultimate tool to bring your website to life with peak performance. As you can see right here on the screen, navigating the setup is incredibly smooth. When you choose the 48-month plan, you lock in the absolute lowest monthly rate. And the best part? The free domain, free SSL, and the maximum discount code are instantly applied without typing a single word. It saves you the most money and time automatically, making the whole setup effortless. Don't miss out on this 2026 exclusive deal. Click the link in the description right now to grab your hosting or discount code savings, and hit that subscribe button for more daily tech deals. Let's get your website live today.